Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be doing this highly requested video update on the V33 floor paint. I've been so thrilled with how many people have watched my previous video and have found it useful, reached out to me, given me so much positive comments, and were asking questions about the whole process and to get an update. I'm really sorry that it's taking this long to do the update, but without further ado, I just kind of want to get into it and show you guys what the flooring looks like. So here it is, a year and several months later. As you can see, it looks pretty similar, pretty much the same as it was when I first did the paint job. I still get lots and lots of compliments on this styling and just how bright and airy and spacious it makes the whole room look. The thing I would say about this paint is that where the laminate floorings have been joined together, the paint did find it hard to stick in those areas, so that's where I've lost the most paint. And here a bit of the laminate flooring has actually just chipped right off, so this is what you can see here. But worst case scenario, I could just apply some wood adhesive and stick that back on, but that's a piece of work I am yet to get back to. So all in all, the flooring has done really well to last over the last year. Earlier on in the summer, I had moved my furnishing around, and that involved me dragging my sofas across the living room, across this flooring, and I was kind of worried, a bit nervous as to whether or not it would scrape the flooring off. But when this paint sticks, it literally holds on for dear life. It's not going anywhere. So aside from where the joints are, you can see that the paint has stuck on pretty well, and it hasn't come off, even with me sliding my furnishing across the floor. I've noticed that actually that where the paint comes off at the joint the most is the high traffic areas. So where you're having to walk around the sofa, it's come off a little bit there, and there's an area in the living room where I had my swivel chair for while I was working from home. This particular area right here. So the swivel chair, I guess the wheels on the chair hasn't really helped. It's kind of aided the paint to come off at the joints even more. So those are kind of like the worst case scenarios. And here where you're kind of having to work around the sofa, you're getting a lot of the paint come off there as well. So all in all, like, if this is a project that you're thinking to do, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. I mean, if I was really bothered by the paint coming off at the joints, I could have just gotten a small tub of the V33 paint and just gone over the problem area. But actually, I think it really helps to make the living room floor look like it's been lived in, and it takes away any clinical feel that you'd get from having all white flooring. And just on a slightly side note, if anybody is interested in a video of me doing wall paneling, which is something I got up to over the summer, let me know in the comments section, give me a thumbs up, and I'll try and put that video together. I did put a rug down in the middle because, as I said, the paint can be a little bit slippery, so that helps to eliminate that. I get a lot of questions as to how I keep the floor clean. I personally prefer to use floor wipes because you can use it and dispose of that dirt straight away, rather than have a mop that's pretty hard to keep clean and keep it clean basically. So there's 15 sheets in there, and I just grab a sheet at a time and I just begin to work the different areas of the floor, and you would begin to see the dirt coming off instantly almost on the floor wipes. And then once you feel like that area is clean, you can just dispose of it and move on to the other area. About whether the floor stains, I have a no shoe policy in the home, so we don't put a lot of mud and dirt in the living room space. However, there are certain shoes that I've found do leave prints. I have this particular Puma trainers, and it's got like the rubber sole. So each time I walk on the floor with these trainers, it tends to leave a print. But I just go back in with the floor wipes, and that print is able to come off pretty quickly. So guys, this is pretty much it for the video. If I've left anything out, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this video, if you found it useful, whether you've done this project yourself. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and comment below. Take care and see you on the next one.